What if I tell you that your resumes are getting rejected in seconds even before anybody's reading them? Yes, it's not just about having the right skill, it's making sure that ATS bots notice them. If you've been applying for jobs and not hearing back, this video is for you. So let's go crack the ATS code together. Hello everyone, and this is Ajay. Welcome back to StarAgile, where we share tips, tricks and tools to help you grow in your career smartly and successfully. So hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any future videos. Alright, let's start with the foundation, your resume format. Keep it simple, clean and straightforward. I understand fancy designs may look cool, but they totally mess with your applicant tracking system. Stick to standard fonts like Arial or Calibri and avoid using tables, columns or images. Think of it this way, if your resume looks like a brochure, the ATS might just throw it away and we just don't want that. Next is using headings that ATS can understand. No clever titles like My Journey or Why I Rock. As fun as it sounds, try to stick to the basics like professional summary, certifications, skills and work experience. It's like talking to a robot, so you have to speak their language. And here's a game changer. Customize your resume for every job you apply to. Take a look at the job description and use those exact keywords in your resume. If they want someone with Agile experience and you write team collaboration, I'm sorry, the bot is not connecting the dots. So you have to use their words to tell your story. Speaking of story, your professional summary is where you make your first impression. So in just 3 to 4 lines, tell them who you are, what you bring to the table, and how you add value. Include a couple of key skills or accomplishments, but keep it short. This section of your resume is like your elevator pitch to both the bot and the recruiter. Now let's move to your experience. Use bullet points and not chunky paragraphs, and always start with an action verb like led, managed or implemented. And here's a pro tip. Don't just say what you did, say what you had achieved. For example, led a cross-functional team to deliver a product 2 weeks ahead of schedule. You see what I did there? Next up, your skills section. So this is where you list both your technical and soft skill. So yes, Java and AWS go here, but so does your leadership and communication skill. Think of this section as your highlight. So make sure it matches with what the job description is looking for. Don't forget to mention your certification and tools you're familiar with. Whether it's Azure, AWS, CSM, PMP, whatever is relevant to the role, mention it here. These small details can push your resume to the interview pile. Quick reminder, avoid using visuals, icons or fancy formatting because ATS can only read text and not graphics. Save your designs for your portfolio if you're a designer, but for resume, simplicity wins every time. And before you hit send, run your resume through a ATS checker like JobScan or Resume Worded. These tools show you how well your resume matches with the job post. It's like a sneak peek into what the bot will see. Pretty cool, right? So to wrap it all, the goal is not just to make your resume look good, but readable by bots and appealing to humans. If you get that right, your chances of landing an interview skyrockets. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and drop down a comment on what is your biggest resume challenge. Subscribe to StarAgile for more career boosting content like this, and see you in the next video.